Hello everyone, myself I am Anil Kumar back here in front of you with a new topic from our biology. Today in this class we will be talking about seed dispersal. As you can already see on the screen, we are going to talk about seed dispersal. What is seed dispersal? The process of transfer of seed from one place to the other place is called as seed dispersal. That means to propagate the population of the plants, which are known as the producers of food on the earth, there should be a process, and that process we call it as seed dispersal. They are the main producers of food on the earth. Their population should hike up, their population should increase, and their population should be spread in various directions. And how is that possible? That is possible by this method called as seed dispersal. So here in this lesson, we'll be talking about the various agents of seed dispersal, how the seed get transferred from one place to the other place, what are the things that help in the dispersal of seed, we'll be talking mainly about. So the things which help in the dispersal of seed are called as seed dispersal, the agents which help in the dispersal of seed. So let us have a look at some of the agents of seed dispersal. Water is one of the agent of seed dispersal. We have wind as one of the agent of seed dispersal, and we also have some animals also as the agent of seed dispersal. Let us try to understand each one clearly one after the other. Yes, in aquatic animals, in aquatic plants, mostly the seed has to be transported from one place to the other place. And how does it take place? Means it takes place with the help of the water. The best example that I can give you is coconut. In coconut, the seeds, that is the coconut, they float on the water. They do not sink to the water. They float on the water, and they can be carried away to faraway places. From one place to the other place, they can be carried away. And that is also the reason why we see a lot of coconut trees on the shores, because they are carried by the water, and when they reach the shore, when food material is available, that is the nutrients are available, anyhow water will be available. So by utilizing the conditions, the seed germinates once after it is transported to another place. The best example that I can give you for the seed dispersal through water, the seed dispersal through water is the coconut and the water lily. Here I have taken the pictures of coconut. So coconut is one of the example, and water lily also is one of the example in which the dispersal of seed takes place with the help of the water. After this, wind also plays a very crucial role in the dispersal of seed. Wind also plays a very crucial role in the dispersal of seeds. The seeds which are light in weight, the seeds which are light in weight are easily carried by the wind, and they can, when they get deposited at any substratum, when they get deposited on the soil, when the food material is available, that is the nutrients are available, when the conditions are favorable, that is temperature is adequate, and when water is available, this seed can germinate and it can grow into a plant. It can grow into a plant. So these seeds, the one I have told you just now, they consist of some cotton plug like things which makes them float in the air, which makes them fly in the air, and they can move. They can even move to faraway places. And when they come in contact with the soil, they can grow into the plants after reaching some substratum, some soil. The best example I can give you for this is dandelions. Dandelions is one of the example. The one which you can see on the screen is the dandelion. It is the one which gets transferred by the wind. This is also one of the plant that you can take cotton. Even cotton gets dispersed, transferred from place to place by the wind. This also can be taken as an other example for seed dispersal through winds. And interestingly, animals also play a very crucial role in the dispersal of seeds. Yes. For example, birds they eat the seeds. Birds they eat the seeds, or they eat a fruit, they digest the pulp, and the seed which remains undigested, when it is excreted on a wall, on a tree or on the ground, what happens means by utilizing the nutrients, it can grow into a plant. It can also grow into a plant when the conditions are favorable. This is one example. And few seeds, what happens means they stick to the bodies of animals, especially in the fur or in the feathers of birds. They stick to, and they can be carried away to faraway places. And sometimes, if they get detached from the fur or the feathers, they can lie down on the ground, and they can grow into plants. In this way, also the seeds get dispersed from place to place. Yes. For this, you can take examples like guava, tamarind, apple. Not only this, you can also take many other examples like even a pomegranate. You can take the seeds of pumpkin. Also, they get transferred. Most of the fruit seeds they get transferred by this way, either by birds or by animals, as you can see in the picture here. You can see in the picture here. This bird, it is carrying seeds. It is carrying seeds from a fruit or from the trunk of the tree. So these seeds, when it leaves in some other part, what happens means they can grow. Either accidentally they leave the seeds or wantedly they leave the seeds. Okay, so at that time they can grow into the plants. In this way also the seed population can be, the plant population can be propagated, and this is also one of the way of seed dispersal. Yes, interesting fact in seed dispersal is the interesting thing in seed dispersal is a squirrel. Okay, squirrel has a habit of forgetfulness. It collects so many seeds, and it is afraid of its fellow friends. So it wants to hide its seeds from its friends, from its counterparts. So what it will do means it digs small pits and it hides its seeds inside them. And most probably it forgets most of those seeds where it has hid. And in the due course, after few days or after few months or maybe after few years, those seeds, after a rain, when water is available, those seeds can grow into plants. Those seeds can germinate and they can grow into plants. So in this way, a squirrel also plays a very important role in the disposal of seeds because of its forgetfulness. Yes, ballistic seed disposal. This is an interesting seed disposal method. The best example that you can take is gourds. Gourds, a plant called gourds, can be taken as an example. Let us see, look at the picture. So this picture, what it says is that these pods, the seed pods, they get dried up in the summer or any season. When they get dried up, when there is no water, they completely get dried up. And when it rains or when few drops of water fall on those pods, what happens means the seed completely bursts. When it bursts, what happens means it delivers up the seeds into the surroundings. The seeds will fall into the surroundings. In this way, the seed gets dispersed. This method of seed dispersal, we call it as the seed dispersal through bursting or ballistic seed dispersal. The best example is gourds, a plant called as gourds, and even in chrysanthemum also it takes place. Even in chrysanthemum also it takes place by the same process. Yes, this is what I thought of teaching you today, the seed dispersal, which is very important. In this class, what we have learned is what is seed dispersal and what are the various agents of seed dispersal we have learned in today's class. I hope this topic is clear to you. This topic can never be neglected because you may be asked questions related to the agents of seed dispersal, the definition of seed dispersal, or various factors related to the seed dispersal can be asked in any of the exams, not just in the competitive exams, maybe in your regular exams or whatever it is, these questions can be asked. Yes, thank you for being here. Thank you for your patience. We'll meet in another class with some other interesting topic.